Well, I wasn't expecting a lot. It does look somewhat foggy. Big White is getting their name back. So, screw it, we're gonna go outside. No. I don't know how to get outside. There we go. So this is my balcony. And that is the house where I was working in. Just there. So that's kind of cool. Notice how that has no snow on it whatsoever, because Muggins here took it all the way. But yeah, that's what we got going on. I don't know what's going on there. There was a guy working down there doing some shit. I don't know. Maybe fixing the Wi-Fi. But yeah, so today, I don't know if the recording I did in the darkness has gone yet, or did it work? I don't know. But we are. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Literally no idea. I've got some revising to do. I've got some lesson plans to write. I have some videos to upload. I have to go to work in 30 minutes to help Jack, but I don't know what we're doing because the house is sort of done. Now the guy said that he wanted to go to Kelowna to get little wooden dowels, because IKEA, and like I love IKEA, but IKEA over here, only IKEA thing I've seen, bed comes missing 7 dowels. 7! Brand new piece of equipment, but there you go. It happens, I guess. It's just like 1 in a million. What else? He also needs some skis picked up from Revelstoke. Now I can't drive. Well, I can drive, but I can't drive, if you know what I mean. Like I can drive because here you don't insure the person, you insure the car. So I could technically drive as long as the car was insured. But I've never driven on the right hand side of the road in my life ever. Have I? No, I haven't. No, never. And also depends on what car they have, because I haven't driven a manual car for like 10 years. I mean, I probably still could, but I don't think I want to be driving a manual on the wrong side of the road in a different country altogether, because that could cause problems. And there's so many weird rules here as well. Like if you're at a traffic light and it's red, you can turn right. I mean, it's probably normal if you live over here, but if you don't, you're running a red light. And also, we were at a crossroads yesterday, and it's not like the UK where it's like each side goes, if you know what I mean, or goes straight and then the turning. It's like the cars oncoming are just keep on coming, and you're allowed to like sort of turn whenever you want. It's crazy, nuts. I mean, he should just go to. I haven't made my bed. That's disgusting. I'm so sorry. Fuck. I do make my bed every day. I've only been up for like 10 minutes. Instead of getting skis from Revelstoke, he could go to Play It Again Sports and buy a whole set for like $100. But yeah, that's what's happening. That's what we're doing. Don't know. I'm sort of padding now, really. Padding for content because I don't know how much of today I can record. And I recorded literally nothing yesterday apart from me shoveling snow, which was a bit. Actually, I enjoyed doing it, but in terms of content, it was dog shit. It's what it is. Anyway, let's see what happens. So it's called Big White for a reason. And you can see the reason. Like proper white-out conditions. So we're heading to Toasties, which I've only ever been in once. That's because we were trying to run away from someone. No, scrap that. We're heading to Toasties to meet the guy and Jack. I think I've only ever been in there once. But like from what I see on Facebook, their stuff looks really cool. They've got different pastries and teas and coffees if that's your thing. I, however, do not drink any hot drinks because I'm a weirdo. So yeah, it'll probably be water and a pastry for me, but there you go. So I can't for the life of me remember what I set off to do this morning, but whatever it was, it's not what happened. 100%. So we sorted out some admin stuff. So we sorted our SIN number and our work visa, and we emailed that over to the Big White accounts department team, potentially.
So that was cool. That's done. I'm just waiting for my UKG login because apparently my password needs to be reset and it hasn't yet. And sorry, I'm chewing a sweet. Probably not what I should be doing when I record the video, but there you go. So that's sorted, and then I can't remember what I did this morning. I walked somewhere and then I came back. Oh, I walked for a meeting. Yeah, I remember now. So we actually met a guy called Rick Dyson, who is in charge of the winter sports company. So a bit like what I did with Snow School, you can go and you can do like your level 1, level 2, 3 ski or snowboard, sorts out the accommodation, sorts out the flights, sorts out meals, sorts out the training, and then hopefully by the end of it you can either change your career or have a gap or whatever reason you're doing it for is irrelevant, but he can help organize that stuff for you. So if by all means, if any of you guys are watching this and you decide you want to do what I did and go do a ski or snowboard season, then by all means, check out the Winter Sports Company. And if you tell them that I sent you, being Kieran, then you might get some sort of discount. So definitely check that out. So we had a meeting. I can't really disclose anything from it because the ideas could be taken by other companies. So we had a meeting and we had fun. And then I basically went back to the Winter Sports Company, I guess, apartment place, which is like a 8 bedroom house, something like that. I don't know. Loads of bedrooms everywhere. Where I basically just used their internet to upload all of my future YouTube videos for the next 6 days. So that's saved me some data and sorted me out. Then we've done some other bits and pieces, done some ideas, and then I might do some editing for them along with some other things. So that could be kind of cool. So now we're just here, we're chilling, not really doing much. We might go out for food with them later. But yeah, just chilling. Oh, sorry, I forgot a massive chunk of my day. At lunch, we go down, and we went to the CASI like admin block building thing. I don't know. And we're just like, hey, we're sort of snowboard instructors, and just wondering, could we get a locker allocation? Amazing. You go down, there's like lockers everywhere. There's got places to do stuff. So, because I got my jewel, I have like a ski place, a ski like holder for my skis. I have place for my board. I have a place for all of my what? A locker, like a full size locker. So that's cool. So tomorrow I'm gonna like definitely bring my skis and stuff down there. So we'll get rid of them. And what else? Mine's close to the door, which is good. So it means I can just get in, dump my stuff, and get out. Oh, I saw my name badge. Like, it's so weird because, is it weird? I don't know. It's not weird. It's not emotional. I don't know the right word. Insert word here. It's so because like last year I wanted it so much, like so bad, and then got the qualification, applied, didn't know if I was going to get it, then got it, and then it's sort of been like a haze mishmash up to this point. And now like we're almost here, and I've actually seen the badge. It's like Kieran O'Keefe, London, United Kingdom, big white ski resort. And I'm like, yeah, do you know what? Like, we fucking did it. Like, I think it hasn't quite set in yet, and I don't think it's going to set in until I'm wearing the uniform. But yeah, I think that's kind of cool. But yeah, so we're going to chill here, go for dinner later. This might be the end, not sure. If it is, then I guess I'll see you tomorrow. If not, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out Winter Sports Company. And I will check you guys out in a bit. Catch you later.